Hello and welcome to today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at gold. We see that the volatility in the instrument is narrowing and we'll look how to trade this. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Please also note that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Now, we're going to bring up the chart. All right, so this is the gold daily chart. I want to draw your attention to the narrowing in the Bollingers. Bollinger theory suggests that there is a cyclical component to volatility. So when the Bollinger bands start to narrow, that typically leads into an expansion, and expansion leads into a narrowing. So now that we have the narrowing, the next step is an expansion. Now, the expansion in volatility, according to Bollinger theory, is direction neutral. So we don't know if the expansion in volatility is because of an upside move or a downside move. However, I do draw your attention to the fact that the RSI is above 50 and that the stochastic has crossed bullishly. Now, if we take a look at the hourly chart, you can see that our trend following indicators, the exponential moving averages, they've crossed positively. So there's a trigger there. And you can see that the stochastic has moved into the upper quintile. And as long as it holds the upper quintile, it suggests that a momentum push is underway. One last area to note is on the RSI, it's not overbought. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. Gold's Bollinger Bands are squeezing. This suggests an expansion is setting up. Now, Bollinger signals are typically direction neutral. However, the indicators have lined up bullishly on both the daily and the hourly. And if these hold, if the oscillators hold these positions, then the volatility expansion is likely to be to the upside. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.